And I give the floor to His Excellency Gokarka Rajpista, Minister for Labor, Employment and Social Security of Nepal.
Mr. President, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, let me begin by thanking the government of the Kingdom of Morocco for hosting this conference and for the warm hospitality. I would also like to thank Madam SRSG and the Secretariat for making excellent arrangement for the conference. The adoption of the Global Compact for safe, orderly, and regular migration this morning is a historic milestone in the governance of international migration. As a result of successful multilateral exercise, we now have a comprehensive framework for international cooperation in the field of migration. The consultations and negotiations to finalize the compact were extensive and substantive. This has given better understanding of international migration. Its contribution to the development of both sending and receiving countries and its related challenges. Also, the compact has rightly put the human rights of migrants at the center. I am happy that we have adopted this compact on the 17th anniversary of Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This aspect has been well incorporated in the compact. The priority for my delegation are the objectives related to decent work, fair recruitment, and skill recognition. Also important agenda are addressing vulnerable situation of migrant workers, including women, and reducing the cost of remittance. Through the compact, we have not only accepted migration as a reality, but also reinforce the foundation for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. We have finally mainstreamed migration in the UN agenda. This is not an end per se, but a very important stepping stone. Madam President, after going through a historic political transformation, Nepal is now focused on socio-economic transformation with the motto of Prosperous Nepal, Happy Nepali as our guiding vision. More than 4 million Nepali people live outside the country, and the majority of them are migrant workers. Responding to this reality, the country has taken several steps in local, national, as well as bilateral and regional level to make migration safe, regular, and managed. On the home front, we are working to reform and streamline policies and laws. We have launched a new initiative and reform measures to ensure better service delivery and fair and ethical recruitment. Madam President, Nepal has given importance to dialogue and cooperation in the management of migration. Through Colombo process, we have been putting our best effort to ensure safe and manage migration. At the share of the Colombo process, Nepal played an active role during the consultation for the Global Compact. Last month, 6th Ministerial Consultation of the Colombo process held in Nepal adopted the Kathmandu Declaration. Among others, the declaration reflects many relevant elements of the GCM. Madam President, to meet the objectives of the compact, the member states need to work together by involving the wide range of stakeholders, including the migrants. Capacity building is equally important to implement the commitment at national, regional, and global levels. In this context, the UN Migration Network brings the expertise of multiple agencies on board. Its role will be crucial to assist the member states. The success of the Global Compact will lie in its implementation. Follow-up and review is equally important. To conclude, Nepal believes that the international cooperation at various levels can make migration work for all. Thank you.
I thank His Excellency Gokarna Rajpista, Minister of Labor, Employment and Social Security of Nepal, for